So you might be trying to figure out if you can go through and basically fix a bent iPhone. Now, what does this mean? Well, maybe you're trying to go through and basically buy a used iPhone that's a little bent, or maybe you accidentally bent your current iPhone and you might be trying to figure out how to fix it. Well, number one, the big thing to keep in mind is that if your iPhone is truly bent, meaning it's completely bent on the side, there's really not too many things you can do natively to unbend it. The last thing you want to do is, if you have a bent iPhone, is to go ahead and try to unbend it. That can cause a lot of problems and lots of issues for your device, and it probably is not going to give you the outcome that you expected. So number one, just make sure you don't try to unbend it. There are ways to circumvent this though. I've had bent iPhones in the past that I basically fixed by going through and just putting a case on it. It's a temporary fix, but honestly, some decent cases might just align it back into place a little bit, and it will give you the impression that your phone is not bent at all, even though you have a case on it. Now, the other big thing to keep in mind here too is that if you do have an iPhone, let's say it's an older one or a new one or whatever the case is, sometimes you might be able to send it into Apple for them to repair it, whether you have Apple Care Plus or you don't have Apple Care at all. You might want to go ahead and see if that's an option, because if that is, you might want to go and just send it into Apple for them to repair it, because that might be a better option for you. So hopefully that answers the question for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.